mental math can be really helpful in a lot of different real-world situations. And one situation could be knowing how much weight you've gained in 3 weeks when you're trying to gain more weight. And one method you can use this for mental math is the breaking and bridging method, which helps you understand and know decimals and finding reasonable answers to these decimals. So for instance, say your starting weight is 120 on the scale. You step on the scale, it's 120. And after the first week of eating more, lifting more weights because you're trying to gain weight, you weigh 1.5 more than your starting weight. So now you step on the scale after the first week and you weigh 121.5. And the only thing you have to write down is how much more you've gained each week from your starting point just to record it. But everything else you can do mentally with the breaking and bridging method. And so after the second week of trying to gain weight, you weigh 3.7 more than your starting weight. So now you step on the scale and you weigh 124.7. So now the last week, the third week, you step on the scale and you weigh 4.8 more than 120. So now you weigh 125.48. So now, to figure out how much weight you've gained in the span of 3 weeks in total, you can first add, you can do this mentally, add 1.5 plus 3. And that comes from the first and second week, but you take off 7. So that would equal 4.5. But now you have 0.7 left over from the second week. So now you add the results of the first answer, which is 4.5, and add it to 0.7. And that equals 5.2. So now you can add 5.2 and plus 4. The 4 comes from the third week. And that equals 9.2. So now you have left over 0.48. And then you can add that together with the sum of the answer you added before, which is 9.2. So you can add 9.2.0.48. So now your result and your final answer you get is 9.68 pounds. So that's how much weight you've gained in 3 weeks from your starting point. And this method is very helpful, and it can help you understand a lot more about decimals and be able to do it easier without a calculator by breaking it up